Hey guys, my name is Shubransh and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can animate or highlight parts of a text while you're scrolling on your Framer website. As you can see on the screen, there is three kind of text that is being highlighted. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do is open the Framer project where we want to highlight the text. I'm going to use this sample text as a reference just to show you guys what we have to do. So as a next step, what I'm going to do is select parts of a text that I want to highlight. As you can probably see, there is three parts of a text that is already underlined. So the basic idea is simply this, that the kind of text that I want to highlight, I have to simply select it in my text field and just add a new decoration to it like I'm doing right now. So I'm going to select this part of a text, go back to the styles tab, click on the plus icon, choose the decoration, and I'm going to add an underline decoration to the text that I want to be highlighted in this particular text field. So now once we do that, what we are going to do is go back to the assets panel and we are going to create a new code override. So you can go to the link provided in the video description, click on the copy component button right here and come back to your framed project, click on the plus icon in the code override section, give your code override a new title and select the new override option and click on create. Once you do that, what we are going to do is select everything inside this code page and we are going to press Command V or Control V or simply paste the code that you had just copied from the link provided in the video description. Once you do that, what we are going to do is make sure you press Command S or Control S on a keyboard to save this new code override section that we have created. Now we have to go back to the layers panel, select the text field that we had just created and highlighted. Go back and scroll down to the codes override section in this right panel that you can see here. Select the file that we had just created. In my case, it's text highlight effect. I'm going to select this, and in the override section, you will find three selections based on their colors. So the first option is simply highlighting the text in blue color, second is simply yellow, and third is simply purple. Once we select that and go back to the preview, you can see as I scroll down, as I move down through my text field, the text is being highlighted as I want it, and the text that I only underlined is being highlighted right now. Now what if you want to change the colors of the highlighted text, or you want to maybe change the color of the text itself? So if you go back to the codes override section, you'll find these three sections of highlighted text that we had previously seen in the layers panel. So what we are going to do is assign these three options a new color, and you can do this by replacing the RGB values here. If you don't know what are the RGB values of your color, you can go back to Figma. You can choose any color you want. I'm going to simply assign it a new bright red color, let's say, and I'm going to switch the mode to RGB, and here you can get the RGB values for the same color. You can also change the opacity of a particular color by changing the alpha value, which in this case is 0.5, which basically means 50% of the original color. In this way, you can change the options that you are going to see within the codes override section, and that is pretty much it. That's all you have to do to get the highlighted text on scroll effect in Framer websites. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Have fun. Bye bye.